Everybody, I just wanted to show you we're doing some autumn housekeeping here. I can let the turkeys out for a while. Everybody's getting new straw in their boxes because we spent all day yesterday cleaning them out. Nice thick bedding for everybody all the way around. As you can see, everybody's got some new bedding, and we got the plastic up to keep the drafts down. And I have to get into the pigs yet. Well, the little guys here, I'm keeping them locked up. I don't have to spread theirs out. They're very efficient. They will take those piles and spread them out really well in there. Just keep them locked up, keeps the big birds from going in there and chasing them out. And then we moved the trailer in for the ducks and the birds that stay in here. This is my fort chicken, and of course they have their straw as well. So my job today is I got to climb over this wall because there's no other way to get in there, and put some more straw in here. You could see they're trying to fluff up. I only put a couple little flakes in there, but I'm going to stuff that box and let them go to town. Pigs are very efficient at moving hay around where they want it, or straw, excuse me, around where they want it. And of course they pick through and look for any extra wheat seeds in there, but I'm going to climb in there and get some in the house for them. All right, I filled up their little house here, and believe me, they will move it around wherever they want it. We'll come back and they'll be all snug as a bug in here. Most likely, though, they want to sleep out here, and they will probably push it out this end, I would bet, where we don't want it because we like to put the water bowl through that little hole in the wall there. And they keep shoving it back out because the other option, I'm going to have to remove a board down here so I could put it through there, but that'll be okay. As long as I can get them some water easily, that's all that counts. And we got Mr. Pantsy. His name is Fancy Pants because when he was born he looked like he was wearing black pants. He's going to go in there and start working at that hay. Or I keep calling it hay. Straw, you guys. It's straw. Not hay. You don't bed them with hay. You bed them with straw. Because straw is has tubes in it, which is better insulating. This is Mr. Will. He's the daddy to two of those guys there. And he's just eating his breakfast calmly, letting them do all the work. So that was part of my job today, was to get them their straw. And yesterday we spent about 5 hours or so cleaning out all the pens and stuff. You can see they're pretty good back here. Got that covered up. They have their hole, they come and go. And everybody's now ready for winter. I just have to go throw a little bit of straw in with the goats for their bed. We'll show you that next. He's going to go gather up all the straw that the chickens scatter. They don't like their straw scattered all over, and they'll work for hours picking it all up and putting it back in their pile. But you can see they have it fluffed up the way they like it. It's almost as deep as them. Some will burrow under it, some will lay on top of it. Billy's still in the little house working in there. But they put it where they want it. There's no stopping them. With some in here for the goats. They'll work at it too. They got a little pile there. There we go. And they worked at. I threw most of it in this corner because I want them to all be able to bed down in one big corner. But they fluffed it up. I didn't do none of the fluffing. They do it by themselves. And once again, they'll kick it around where they like it. Mostly they're looking for the wheat that's left over in it right now. But everybody's getting their beds together. Winter is a-coming.